Good morning, students. Now today we are taking the numerical portion of chapter number 5, and the question is: a monkey of mass 40 kilogram climbs on a rope which can stand a maximum tension of 600 Newton. In which of the following cases the rope break? Number 1, while monkey move with an acceleration of 6 meter per second square upwards, when monkey move down with an acceleration of 4 meter per second square, when monkey move upward with a uniform speed of 5 meter per second, and while fall freely with the gravity 10 meter per second square. Now, if we are considering, suppose this is a support, this is a string, and suppose we are considering that this is monkey. Now while the monkey is climbing up, then the tension in the string must be greater than the weight while it accelerate in the upward direction. यानी स्ट्रिंग के अंदर जो टेंशन है that will increase while the monkey is moving upwards. इसका मतलब ये होगा कि T minus mg must be the accelerating force in the upward direction. In this way, we can calculate the tension in the string, which is equal to mg plus ma, and m can be taken as common, then g plus a. Now, in the first part, as the monkey is moving up with this acceleration, then the tension in the string is, the mass of the monkey is 40 kilogram, acceleration due to gravity is 10, and acceleration given here is of 6 meter per second square, then it will be equal to 40 multiplied by 16, and while we are going to multiply that, this is 640 Newton, because tension is also a kind of force. That is why the unit of the tension is 640 Newton. Now, in this case, if we are talking about the tension in the string 640, which is greater than the tension, maximum tension of the string. इसका मतलब ये हुआ, in this case the rope may break. This is the first case. Now moving towards the second. In the second case, the monkey is moving down with an acceleration of 4 meter per second square. In this case, mg will be greater than the tension. Mg minus t is equal to the net accelerating force. In this case, t can be calculated as mg minus ma. M will be taken as common, then it will be g minus a. Now substitute the value of the mass of the monkey, which is 40. Now acceleration due to gravity is 10 and downward acceleration is 4, then it is 40 multiplied by 6. 6 into 4 is 240 Newton. This will be the value of the tension, which is 240. तो अगर उनकी डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट कर रहा है 4 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर की स्पीड से, तो टेंशन क्या हो जाएगी? कम, यानी कि जो इसकी मैक्सिमम टेंशन लिमिट है वो है 600 न्यूटन, तो रोप विल नॉट ब्रेक इन द सेकंड केस. अब अगर हम थर्ड केस की बात करते हैं, थर्ड केस इज द यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड का मतलब हुआ एक्सेलरेशन इज 0, then tension in the string must be equal to mg, and as the mass of the monkey is 40 and gravity is 10, then it will be equal to 400 newtons. The last case is falling freely. Free fall means while the object is oscillating in the downward direction with the gravity. यानी free fall मतलब falling under gravity. फ्री फॉल का मतलब है फॉलिंग अंडर ग्रेविटी, और डाउनवर्ड मोशन है, तो डाउनवर्ड मोशन में हमने कैलकुलेट करा है टेंशन इन द स्ट्रिंग क्या होनी चाहिए थी, mg माइनस ए, लेकिन क्या हो गया, जी ए के इक्वल हो गया, क्यों, क्योंकि फ्री फॉल है, दैट इज वाई द टेंशन इन द स्ट्रिंग मस्ट बी mg माइनस जी एंड इट विल बिकम 0. तो व्हाइल the monkey is falling freely on the rope, then the tension on the rope becomes 0. So in this way we can solve this question. Now moving towards the next question. The next question is question number 30, NCERT book. In this question, an aircraft is moving with a speed of 720 किलोमीटर पर आवर. एक एयरक्राफ्ट 720 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से मूव कर रहा है इन ए सर्किल, एंड द विंग्स ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट is making an angle of 15 degree with the radius of the circular path. Wings are making an angle of 15 degree with the radius of the path. यानी अगर मैं कंसीडर करूं ये सर्कुलर पाथ है, सपोज दिस इज एन एयरक्राफ्ट, these are the suppose wings of the aircraft, and these wings while it is moving are making an angle of 15 degree with the radius of the circular track, and this is moving with the speed of 720 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है, तो in this case we have to calculate the radius of the path. तो as the wings are making an angle of 15 degrees का मतलब क्या हुआ, these are banked with an angle of 15 degree, यानी angle of banking is given, and we know that as tan theta is equal to v square upon rg, while simplifying r will be written as v square upon tan theta into g. A value of v can be calculated in terms of meter per second by multiplying it by 5/18. It will be 200 meter per second. Now put the value, so it will be 200 square divided by 1015. This is 1015 degrees multiplied by the gravity will be taken as 10 or 9.8. Both the values we can use. Now in this question the value of 1015 can be calculated or can be obtained from the trigonometric table. This is 200 into 200 divided by 1015 की वैल्यू होती है 0.2697 multiply by 10. Then after simplification we got the value 15.24 into 10 raised to the power 3 meter per second, which may be termed as meters, which may be termed as 15.24 kilometers. इसका मतलब ये हुआ this will be the radius of that track on which aircraft is moving with the speed of this by making an angle of 15 degree with the radius.